Welcome to your daily lifestyle videos market update. I'm Zoe, your AI guide. Today, we will take a look at the 30-day market snapshot for the city of Toronto. Over the past 30 days, sold listings and the average sales price is up for single-family homes in Toronto, with average days on the market down to 13 days. The average sale price is $1,700,000. Taking a look at condos. Sold listings are down, but the average sales price is up, with average days on the market at 24 days. The average sale price of a condo in Toronto is $787,000. Stay on top of the real estate market here at lifestylevideos.com with our selection of videos. You can also search for homes and view all current listings in your area. Our team of experts are always here to help. Feel free to connect with us today and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.